Every morning starts the same way. My alarm rings at 6:30. I hear the sound. Beep, beep, beep. It is loud. I open my eyes slowly. The room is still dark. I feel tired, but I know I need to get up. I reach for my phone on the nightstand. I turn off the alarm. The sound stops. Now the room is quiet. I look at the time again. 6:30. Yes, it is time to start my day. I lie in bed for one more minute. I think about my day. What do I need to do today? Work, yes. Breakfast, yes. I take a deep breath. Okay, I tell myself. Let's start. I sit up slowly. My body feels heavy. I rub my eyes with my hands. The light from the window is soft. A new day is beginning. I am awake now. I am still sitting on my bed. My body feels stiff. I slept for 7 hours, but I feel tight. I need to wake up my body. I stand up slowly. My feet touch the cold floor. It feels good. I raise my arms above my head. I stretch up, up, up. I feel my back getting longer. This feels nice. I move my head to the left, then to the right. My neck makes a small sound. Crack. I smile. I roll my shoulders back. 1, 2, 3 times. My muscles feel better now. I bend down and touch my toes. Well, I try to touch my toes. I can't reach them completely. That's okay. I stretch my legs. I feel my body waking up. The blood is moving. I feel more awake now. I take another deep breath. In through my nose, out through my mouth. Good. I am ready to start my morning routine. I walk to the bathroom. The floor is cold under my feet. I turn on the light. The bright light makes me blink. I look at myself in the mirror. My hair is messy. My face looks sleepy. I smile at myself. Good morning. First, I brush my teeth. I take my toothbrush and put toothpaste on it. The toothpaste is white and minty. I brush for 2 minutes, up and down, left and right. I brush my tongue too. Then I rinse my mouth with water. My mouth feels fresh and clean now. Next, I wash my face. I turn on the faucet. The water is cold at first. I splash water on my face. It is cold, but it wakes me up. I use my face wash. I rub it on my cheeks, my forehead, my nose. I make circles with my fingers. Then I rinse everything off. My face feels fresh now. I look in the mirror again. I look more awake. I dry my face with a towel. The towel is soft. I comb my hair with my fingers. Better, much better. I am ready for the next step. I walk to my closet. I open the doors. I see all my clothes. Shirts, pants, dresses, sweaters. What should I wear today? I look outside the window. The sky is blue. The sun is coming up. It looks like a nice day. Not too hot, not too cold. Perfect. I think about my day. I have work today. I need to look professional but comfortable. I want to feel good in my clothes. I choose a blue shirt. Blue is my favorite color. It is clean and ironed. I take a pair of black pants from the hanger. They are comfortable and look good. I also take my socks and underwear from the drawer. I put everything on my bed. I look at my choices. Yes, this is good. These clothes are perfect for today. I get dressed slowly. First my underwear, then my pants, then my shirt. I button my shirt carefully. I tuck it into my pants. I look in the mirror on my wall. I look professional. I look ready. I feel good. Now I am dressed and ready for breakfast. I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is my favorite room in the morning. It smells clean. The sun comes through the window and makes everything bright. I am hungry. My stomach makes a small noise. I need to eat something good. Breakfast is important. It gives me energy for the day. I open the refrigerator. The cold air touches my face. I see eggs, milk, butter, and bread. Perfect. I will make scrambled eggs and toast today. I take out 2 eggs. I crack them into a bowl. Crack, crack. The yellow yolks fall into the bowl. I add a little milk. I take a fork and mix everything together. The eggs and milk become yellow and smooth. I turn on the stove. I put a pan on the burner. I add a small piece of butter. The butter melts and makes a sizzling sound. I pour the egg mixture into the pan. I stir slowly with a spatula. The eggs start to cook. They change from liquid to solid. The smell is wonderful. While the eggs cook, I put 2 slices of bread in the toaster. I push the lever down. The toaster starts to heat the bread. After 2 minutes, pop. The toast jumps up. It is golden brown. Perfect. I put the scrambled eggs on a plate. I put the toast next to the eggs. I also pour myself a glass of orange juice. Cold and fresh. My breakfast is ready. I carry my plate and my glass to the table. I sit down in my favorite chair. The chair is near the window. I can see the street outside. I look at my breakfast. It looks delicious. The eggs are yellow and fluffy. The toast is crispy and golden. The orange juice is bright orange. I pick up my fork. I take a bite of the scrambled eggs. They are warm and soft. The taste is good. Not too salty, not too bland. Just right. I take a bite of toast. It is crunchy. I hear the sound in my mouth. Crunch, crunch. I like the sound. The butter on the toast is melting. I drink some orange juice. It is cold and sweet. It feels refreshing in my mouth. I feel the energy coming into my body. As I eat, I look outside. I see people walking on the street. Some people are walking their dogs. Some people are going to work like me. Cars pass by slowly. The world is waking up. I finish my eggs. I finish my toast. I drink the last bit of my juice. My plate is empty now. My stomach feels full and happy. I feel ready for the day. Breakfast always makes me feel good. I stand up and take my dishes to the sink. I wash them quickly with soap and water. I dry them and put them away. A clean kitchen makes me happy. It is time to go. I look at the clock on the wall. 7:45. I need to leave now. If I leave now, I will arrive on time. I go to the door. I see my bag on the chair. I pick it up and put it on my shoulder.